Are you constantly trying to figure out the best time to invest in the stock market? Do you find yourself frequently checking stock prices and making impulsive decisions? If so, you're not alone. Many people believe that timing the market is the key to success. They think that if they can just buy at the right time, they'll make a fortune. But is this really true? The truth is, no one can consistently predict the ups and downs of the stock market. Sure, there may be some short-term gains to be had from timing the market, but in the long term, it's impossible to consistently beat the market. The stock market has a history of growth over the long-term. So, instead of trying to time the market, it's better to invest for the long term and to regularly contribute to your investment, diversifying your portfolio by investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets can also help to manage risk, and consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions is always a good idea.
If you want to see our videos before everyone else, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.